Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We are just installing the remote control on and off function for the EF4500 ISE inverter from Yamaha. The part number for that kit is 7XS-Y8600-00. This will work on any of the 4500s as well as 6300s. All you're going to do is simply undo the two screws along the bottom here that will allow the front plate to come off, as you can see there. You'll then need to undo 9 screws that'll pull off the meter base, and then the 4 screws right there pulling off the meter. One thing I want to suggest when you're dealing with a meter like this is you're going to want to get the static electricity out of your body just simply by touching the motor or any part of the machine. You'll then install the box here for the remote control and run it up along behind the meter, as you can see. You're also going to take out the plug that's pre-installed there from the factory and install the switch option there that will tell the machine that you're going to on or off with the remote control option. Simply going to run the wiring along the top. It comes with 2 3M adhesive strips that you can attach some hangers to the top of the inverter. You're going to plug it in where you've disconnected it previously for the key switch, and then plug it into the remote control switch option. You're going to want to verify your installation just to make sure everything's done properly before you put it all back together. All you're going to do to operate it is push the on button twice. It's going to fire up there, as you can see. So we've successfully installed the remote option. And then just simply hold the off button there to shut the inverter off. This is a great feature for you guys that are out there camping on the early mornings. You're not going to want to get out there and get dressed to go start your generator or inverter. It's a very simple fix from Yamaha. It's a quick installation. Installation time's approximately 15 minutes or so to undo the cover, get it installed, and put it all back together. Maybe 25 if you're taking your time talking to your buddies and getting on this YouTube video to figure out how the installation is done. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. If you want to call or shoot me a text direct, 435-851-3637. Have a great day, everybody. P.S. You got to hit the on button twice in a row for it to turn on, once on the off to shut it off.